Now student, today we are going to write in 4-line English notebook capital and small letter E. Okay. Now open the notebook. Here you have to write down, write WRITE, write capital 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 and 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 small 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 letter LETTER small letter. Now today we will write down capital E and small e. Okay. In corner you have to write down today's date. आपको corner में date को write down करना आज की. Okay. Now here write down capital E like this, and this is small e. Okay. Standing line, slipping line, standing line. This is capital E. Now small e you have to make round, half round, and make left side curve in between two lines. This is small e, capital E, small e, capital E, small e. Very easy to write down capital E and small e. The sound of E is A. The sound of E is A. E a elephant, E a engine, E a eagle. Okay. So this is capital E and this is small e. Okay. How you will write small and capital E? First you have to write down from start to second number blue line, standing line. Okay. On pink line you have to draw slipping line. On blue line, slipping line. Again one more blue line, slipping line. So this is capital E. Now slipping line and turn and make in between two blue line, left side curve. Okay. So this is small e. Okay. Like this you have to write down capital E and small e. E a elephant, E a engine, E a eagle, E a what's come? Egg. Okay, this is capital E and small e. Capital E, small e, capital E, small e, capital E, small e, capital E, small e, capital E, small e. E a elephant, E a eagle, E a engine, E a like this you have to write down. You have to start from top, standing line to bottom like this, and slipping line. This is capital E and this is small e. Standing line, slipping line. Okay, capital E. And how you will write small e? Make a circle, turn and draw between two blue line, left side curve. This is small e. Okay, like this you have to trace capital E and write down capital E and small e. Okay, capital E, first you have to write down standing line, pink line, slipping line, blue line, slipping line, again blue line, slipping line. So this is capital E. Now small e, circle, turn, make a curve, left side in between two blue line. So this is small e. Capital E, small e. Like this you have to write down. Standing line, slipping line, capital E, small e, capital E, slipping line, capital E, small e, capital E, small e. How you will write capital E, student? First we have to start from top to bottom. This is standing line. On pink line, sleeping line. On blue line, sleeping line. Again one more blue line. This is sleeping line. So this is capital E. Now small e, circle, turn, make a curve left side in between two line, blue line. So this is small e. Okay, capital E, small e. The sound of E is A. The sound of E is A. Elephant, engine, eagle, egg. These are object related capital E. Okay student, now you also sharp your pencil, write down very properly. Click the photo, writing should be neat and clean. Okay, you have to write down 2 page, 1 page here and second number page here. Okay, you have to write down 2 page, capital E and small e. Click the photo and send on the group. Bye bye.